Hello friends, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Professor V.K. Singh from Faculty of Management Studies, Gurukul Kangdi University, Haridwar. Today we are going to study Module 39 on Human Resource Information System. Learning outcome. After reading this module, you should be able to understand the objectives of HRIS, list the types and components of an HRIS, enumerate the steps in the implementation of HRIS, discuss the applications of an HRIS in human resource management, explain the benefits of an HRIS, list the conditions essential for an effective HRIS. The Human Resource Information System is basically a database system developed to assist HR in decision making and reporting. It is normally one of the elements of the overall management information system of an organization. It is indeed an IT-enabled HR service available to the HR managers for data analysis and decision making. HRIS helps. The scope of HRIS is so wide that it can provide information about every aspect of an employee. As such, HRIS provides facilities for the use of computer technology to make HR operations more efficient and simple, reduce costs, and eventually enhance the result orientation of human resource management. However, the importance and the components of HRIS may not be same for all organizations. Objectives of HRIS: to help making decisions that adds value, facilitates HR managers to become strategic partners, helps in analyzing matters, to enhance the ability of the provides effective communication channel, to ensure collection, storage and distribution of HR related information, contribute to employee satisfaction and productivity, to create an integrated system, provides the employee access to all relevant information. Objectives of HRIS. Main purpose of Human Resource Information System: to help HR managers and line managers in making decisions that adds value, facilitates HR managers to become strategic partners, helps in making analysis of important matters such as the HR costs, to enhance the ability of the human resource management to leverage and observe new and emerging opportunities and challenges in the business horizons, provides effective communication channel to ensure efficient collection, storage and distribution of HR related information in a people's work environment. It can contribute to employee satisfaction and productivity, to create an integrated system for achieving an efficient and purposeful human resource functions and effective deployment of strategic human resources, provides the employees access to all relevant information for the accomplishment of organizations, mission and strategic objectives. Components of Human Resource Information System, HRIS. A Human Resource Information System, HRIS, is designed to assist human resources managers in managing data. Human resource professionals use these systems to create facilities for workflow, improvement of efficient and store and collect information. Several companies offers HRIS packages to employer which can be customized to the specific needs and requirements of the employer. Database, time and labor management, payroll functions, employee interface, recruitment and selection, database, components of HRIS. Types of Human Resource Information System. The domain of human resource management has developed over the last 2 decades, and the flowing in of technology has reshaped the domain considerably. Human Resource Information System, HRIS, allow HR professionals to store and organize vast amount of data concerning to employee information. There are different types of HRIS that every organization uses in order to perform their daily tasks of managing employees. Operational HRIS. Operational HRIS is of great help to the managers in providing with all the needed data to support routine human resource decisions. Several operational human resource systems gather and report human resource data, usually including information about the organization's employee, position and governmental regulations. Performance Management Information System. Performance Management Information System include data concerning performance appraisal and productivity information frequently used as evidence in employee grievance matters. Careful documentation of employees' performance and the measurement of performance and reported is critical to acceptance of appraisal information in grievance hearing. Performance management system can lead to a numbers of decisions beyond merely the decisions to retain, promote, transfer or terminate an employee. Tactical HRIS. Tactical Human Resource Information Systems provide managers with support for decisions emphasizing the allocation of resources. Within the domain of HR, these include recruitment decisions, job analysis, and job design decisions, training and development, and also employee compensation plans. Different subparts of tactical HRIS also has a few subparts that include job analysis and design information system, recruiting information system, compensation and benefits information system, and employee training and development systems. Strategic HRIS. Strategic HRIS focuses on supporting labor negotiations, HR planning, and certain specialized human resource functions. The main purpose is to have entire good idea about labor resources and workforce planning. Major types of strategic HRIS comprise information systems supporting workforce planning and specialized human resource information systems. Implementation of an HRIS. Several organizations have recognized the need for application of technology to human resource management in order to develop human resources as strategic instrument to survive and grow in an intensely competitive market. It is generally expected that the future success of human resource management depends on how effectively it is integrated with technology. HRIS play a major role in planning, administration, decision making and control activities of the human resource management. Thus, organizations of all sort are interested in installing an HRIS. The installation of HRIS involves the stages of determination of the need for HRIS, constitution of a project team, development of the project plan, designing and developing system specifications, identification and training of user group, implementation and maintenance, and evaluation of effectiveness of HRIS. The steps are shown in figure 2. HRIS is applicable to a number of areas of an organization. These are discussed below. Applicant tracking system. Several organizations of different sizes are now automating their recruitment process by installing an applicant tracking system to streamline the complete recruitment process and offer a unique support for all forms of candidate applications. It assists the organization in screening applicant capabilities and facilitates the accomplishment of the hiring goals of the organization in a fast and cost-effective manner. Application of HRIS in HR. Training and development system, compensation management system, performance management system, human resource planning system, succession planning system, position control system, benefits administration, personal information and administration system, grievance management system. Training and development system. The training system helps the user to track the qualifications and competency level of the employees constantly. Then, the training module uses the job codes to link job requirements with employee competencies to determine the training needs through a process called competency matching. Based on its assessment of the training needs, the training system schedules and registers the employees for training courses. Once the training program is over, it automatically updates the employee profile by recording the results of the training program in their profiles. Compensation management system. The compensation management system aims at computing employee payments through an integrated payroll system. It makes a flexible module available for the processing of pay and all related financial transactions. Performance management system. The online performance management system permits the organization to automate the review process and allow the managers to have instant access to current and correct employee information while writing performance reviews. Human resource planning system. The HR planning module automates the manpower requests based on the long and short term goals of different departments. Succession planning system. The succession planning module makes an attempt to bring the identified and selected employees into the succession route. Usually, this system functions in close coordination with other systems like training system, compensation system, and performance management system. Position control and budgeting system. This system maintains all information about each position in a separate database. This database maintains information about position descriptions, education and skill requirements, requisitions, incumbent history, reporting relationships, and budgeting information for each job in the organization and functions in coordination with other systems. Benefits administration system. This system manages all the current and historical employee benefits information for the entire organization. Personal information and identification system. The purpose of a personal information system is to manage, report, and analyze employee information. This system provides almost all information about the employees. It contains general staff data like name, addresses, family details, identify number, date of appointment, job positioning, and location in the organization structure, job classification, job specifications, job descriptions, and disciplinary action taken. It can also automate reporting, notification, and form generation relating to human resource operations. Grievance management system. The grievance management model can effectively track and analyze the grievances of the employees. The purpose of a personal information system is to manage, report, and analyze employee information. This system provides almost all information about the employees. It contains general staff data like addresses, family details, identifying number, date of appointment, job position, and location in the organization structure, job classification, job specifications, job description, and disciplinary action taken. It can also automate reporting, notifications, and form generation related to human resource operations. Friends, in this module, we have studied the objectives, the types, components, the benefits, the steps in implementation of human resource information system. You have also studied the applications of an HRIS in human resource management and the conditions essential for an effective HRIS. Thanks for visiting EPG Pathshala.